got another Brabus build here. This look is insane. So you guys, this is one of my favorites actually. We got everything white and black, as you guys can see, gloss black Brabus wheels. Also, we did make these very nice and custom to match everything on the car. You guys can see how we have everything blacked out on the side here. We got the beautiful Brabus bumper in the front. Look at this Brabus swoop. You know, it just hits different on white, I think. It looks really good. We also have beautiful red stripes right there to give it that Brabus look. We got beautiful Brabus emblems here. Let's take you guys on this side. We got the beautiful red Brabus emblem there. Looks amazing. And the unique thing about this car also is the interior. So we got beautiful red and black interior on this car. And the cool thing is, as soon as you open the doors, the red, black, and then the white exterior and black outside, everything matches really, really nice. I think it's a very, very unique build. Again, I think white hits very differently. We have the beautiful Brabus spare tire cover there, and all the emblems are done in gloss black letters, which really makes the whole exterior of the car pop. So I think it looks cool. It actually gives it that tuxedo look, if you guys know what I mean. Also, we have the top spoiler there. That's amazing as well. And then you got all the lights too, so the lights make it look really, really good. Let's show you guys how the lights look when it's on. There's the top light up.
No.
No?
I'm just kidding. I did.
Here you guys have it. Another Brabus build here late after hours to get this done. Make sure the client's happy. Enjoy his ride for Friday. Yeah, this thing is a wrap. So we're just gonna quickly test drive it, make sure everything's okay, and that's basically about it. Again, I mean, it's amazing. You know, white and black looks crazy. So this is a winner. Another good one.
In the beloved Ferrari SF90 Stradale. This car is very fast. One of the most underrated vehicles Ferrari has made. This car, you guys probably saw it on our channel already. HRE wheels, lowered on rift suspension, full rift exhaust system with cap bypass off-road use only. Has also a stage 2 tune as well. The issue here is smoke. This car is throwing some smoke in the back, which is deja vu because we had one of the first SF90s with exhaust and tune many years ago, and we had an issue. We had smoke coming out of it, and we made a video about it. It was on the freeway. It was like the most controversial video for the month. Everybody was hating on it or making fun of Ferrari, whatever it was. Essentially, after that, we realized some of these SF90s just like to smoke. Whether it is a turbo problem, tune problem, oil, whatever, they seem to smoke. It's 50-50. We did one recently, had 0 issues, but this one smokes. So right now I'm on a test drive. Honestly, we have to drive it hard for it to warm up a lot, because really the smoke is more evident when it's hot. So we're gonna be trying to do that in this crazy LA traffic. It's not gonna be easy, but you know, we will be trying because this customer wants his car back stress-free. And I must mention that this car is very fast. A stage 2 tuned SF90 is freakishly fast.
What's What size is this? It has to be, right?
World's greatest timing.
265.
The two tires that we have to do for the G-Wagon.
It's okay, he'll knock it out.
How are you gonna do 4 tires right now?
No, it's 2. There's only 1.
Oh,
It's
okay.
for Harris too, both of them, but
2 right now.
Okay.
He's gonna wait.
265. 265. Aye, aye, aye. 265, 35. Can you just cut a little bit? Cut. That was a He's like, what? I'm sure you guys remember this car. We did this car a while ago. Yeah, so it's a 2-tone wrap. You guys can see, we'll show you the car right now. It looks really cool actually. And it's still in good condition. Owner is very, very, very careful with it. The main thing is today, he has a big bubble on the right side of the tire. Huge. All right, so we have a new tire here. We're gonna replace it so he doesn't have any issues on the road. Daniel's taking care of it. Mount, balance, check air pressures, put it back on the car. And he's taking this one. So what's cool?
It was cool? Yeah. Nice. What'd you do?
Mira mi lomo, my butt.
You're not sunburned?
No, yes. It's for Brabus.
Oh. It was nice, huh?
Fun, yeah. Un lugar se llama, the place's name is Dos Abuelas, private.
Beach? Private beach?
Yeah,
That's cool.
private, piscina, house. In the place you can cook. They give you a refrigerator,
Todo.
a kitchen. Even they give you a speaker. You wanna
Music?
listen to music? Yeah, nice. It's like the grandmothers, right?
Yeah. Grandma. Come back.
Y mira, me corté el pelo.
Good hair. It looks nice.
Yeah, El Salvador, cut it. Okay. I love this. Ferrari gonna
Gonna
sue
sue
me.
you.
Yeah, they're gonna sue me. I'm gonna tell them it wasn't me. I have an order from inside. You kill me with the cigarettes. I kill it with the dust.
all right, ladies and gentlemen, another special Urus. Wheels can change up a car a lot. So this one was a very simple, quick upgrade. We have some beautiful 24-inch RDB wheels. Yeah, we have some very, very nice 24-inch RDB wheels. You guys can see this is a custom paint color as well. It's actually powder coat, but that's a custom color we did. Looks amazing, you guys. So yeah, 24-inch wheels on this Urus. Car already had this wrap. It looks really, really nice. I think came out great, and that's it for this one.